Have you ever wondered where we come from? The Andes lies deep in Africa. Our journey starts millions of years ago, leading to modern humans today. This story involves incredible diversity and adaptation. Let's explore this fascinating evolution. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, our ancestors began to diverge. We separated from chimps, leading to many hominin species. These species showed unique adaptations to various environments. Here, we focus on 3 key milestones along our evolutionary path. First, Australopithecus thrived between 4 and 2 million years ago. They were bipedal, representing early human ancestors. Next, we have Homo habilis, appearing around 2.4 million years ago. This species is known for crafting the first stone tools. These tools mark the beginning of our technological progress. Then comes Homo erectus, existing from 1.8 million years ago until about 100,000 years ago. Notably, they were the first hominins to leave Africa. Their range stretched across Africa, Asia, and Europe. This migration marks a significant step in our evolutionary story. Now, let's talk about modern humans, Homo sapiens. They emerged in Africa hundreds of thousands of years ago. Many studies support this African origin. The Middle Awash project highlights fossil discoveries in Ethiopia. These fossils date over 100,000 years old. They reveal our ancestors' adaptation and technology in their environment. Research shows that humans expanded their habitats before leaving Africa. A 2025 study mapped 120,000 years of human habitat changes. It revealed humans increased habitat diversity, adapting to both forests and deserts. This adaptability set the stage for migration out of Africa. Now, let's visualize our evolutionary journey. Imagine a tree that branches out with each key species. From Australopithecus to Neanderthals, each branch tells a story. This diagram shows how these species relate and their timelines. In summary, our origins lie in the rich soils of Africa. From early hominins to modern humans, each stage represents incredible adaptability. Our evolutionary journey is a complex tapestry woven over millions of years. Now that you understand our deep roots, let's cherish this knowledge. Dive deeper into this narrative by exploring more about our ancestors. Subscribe for more enlightening content and share in the comments your thoughts on this incredible journey.